Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to drive the FB Monidal 300 HPS. Let's take a look at it. Well, talking about the design of the HPS 300, it's a perfect fusion between the classic of FB Monidal and technological soul given by the 300cc Devo HC liquid cool with direct injection. I mean the electronic injection, which gives more power to this vehicle. And the design looks pretty much nice to me. It's really well done and it adds beauty to it because the things done along with this motor are pretty much nice and very comfortable to drive. Now talking about the engine, well, it's a 300 HPS, so it's a 4-cylinder, it's a single cylinder 4-stroke engine, well, with the displacement of 249cc and 17 kilowatt at 8500 rpm and maximum torque producing at 22.5 at 6500 rpm. So well, it's a wet pump which is a liquid cooling and the intake system happens to be EFI. The vehicle how you start is an electronic starter and the transmission is a 6-speed. Well, like regular sports ones, it's a 1 down and rest up. Now talking about the mirrors of this vehicle, now it's a 2 different position adjustable wherein you can be using it for both urban and extra urban use. Now the exhaust system given over here is a dual exhaust which they call the dragon board to centralize the masses and lower the center of gravity to allow a fast ride. But the fast speed at in this vehicle happens to be only 135, that too at the highest thing. Well, so basically it's a lateral exhaust system which kind of feels nice. Now talking about the brakes of this, the positioning of brakes have been weird. Well, it's a high performing braking system with 4-piston radial caliper and a 40 mm cord. Talking about this particular vehicle, it's a Italian made which we call the FB Monidal. So once we talk about the Italian models, we'll be getting names of the Ducati especially, but this is a lower company, probably a small engine maker wherein they produce only bikes in a limited number. Once they have reached the number, they stop production, and luckily one of our friends gave us this bike for this review. Well, I have drove it to from Vijayawada to Nellore. Now we'll be going again to Nellore to Chennai, and this has to be delivered to Kochi. Probably I might not have the chance to drive till Kochi, but let's hope that I'll be getting to drive till Chennai. Well, talking about everything else, the seats are pretty much nice, but for a longer run, as the exhaust are placed right next to it, you may feel a bit uncomfortable. Now coming to the cluster of this vehicle, which is the handlebar, you get a round digital meter wherein you have RPM, a fuel indicator, engine temperature, trip information and time. That is the gear shift indicator, and these are the knobs for multiple hazard switches, and this is the engine kill switch, and this is the FB Monidal badging. That's the other mirror. Now you have a badging here too. Well, this is a 9.5 liter petrol. Obviously bikes are only made of petrol. Well, the mileage claims to be 24 kilometers, which is nice. Well, horn position have been in a weird way. These are the light controls. This is to for the side indicators. Well, let me quickly show you how this thing sounds. Okay, now the engine is on. Well, let me show you the exhaust. Well, that's the exhaust system. Well, rest everything feels nice to me. So let's check how this vehicle is to go. Let's get driving. Before driving, urge every biker to wear helmet, wear proper safety gloves and then drive. Please don't mind me because I'm not wearing any gloves because it's flaming hot and I'm unable to ride with the gloves on. So well, let's get going. Well, this has a safety feature to it, which means like if you put up the stand down and put in the gear wherein the vehicle doesn't move. Let me quickly show you. Well, I'm closing up the stand. Well, I have closed the stand. Now into the first gear, the vehicle stops. That's the safety feature of this vehicle. I request every biker, every car maker to basically have such cool features into this vehicle, which kind of feeling nice. Now into the first gear. Into the first gear. Revving the motor. Rev still 4000 RPM, which is nice. And we are into 35 km per liter in this particular vehicle. Well, now a speed bump ahead. Basically, the torque band is sticking, around, it's revving at least till 4000 RPM. And then this vehicle doesn't pull much because it's a cafe rider basically. It can be called as a cave racing bike. It's not for racing purpose, it's for urban rides. If you're going to suburbans and you want to have a long drive into the weekend, then you gotta definitely try this vehicle because this vehicle has so much charm to it. Well, we are already into the third gear. The vehicle doesn't hesitate to pull, but it's not like as quick accelerating as you thought it would be. Because, this vehicle has got a lot of safety features. Until and unless you are into the fifth gear, this vehicle doesn't pull much. Well, onto the highways, the ride can be a bit uncomfortable because the exhaust basically is right next to your thighs, which makes the seat basically so hot and very uncomfortable to drive. But it's okay if you're driving into the city limits and you're driving slow and you are not revving the nuts out of the motor, then it's a comfortable ride for you. It could be pretty much nice and enjoyable ride for you guys because this vehicle has a lot of comfort and the exhaust feels pretty much nice, and rest all the suspension is so good on this vehicle, pretty much upright. The seating position is accurate for this vehicle. Well, if you're a short ride person, basically a short person, so well, I'm 5 feet 5 inches, so this vehicle has no problem to ride because this is especially, I think this vehicle has been made for smaller people because the weight is also not that high as you will generally expect. Well, now let's go for a ride. Well, that's how the sound feels on this vehicle. The ride quality is decent, I can say that. It's not that tough though to ride this vehicle. It's so comfortable while driving, and on the bumps, this car feels so good and gives a great amount of feedback to your vehicle. Well guys, that's how the acceleration is. It's pretty much crisp and pretty much decent and pretty much nice. So it's so comfortable to drive. So just tell me in the comments, how do you like this bike? We'll be getting to drive more bikes like such in the upcoming days. Let's hope for that. Thank you for all the support for watching. I'll be back with another vlog. Take care. See you soon. Bye.